HeraHaven AI review. Is it legit or a scam? Well, let's find out. So, it's an AI companion chat app offering virtual AI girlfriend experiences. Users can create and customize characters, including appearance and personality traits, then interact via text and voice messages, with optional romantic or flirtatious conversation modes. There's also a basic version, which is free, and they also have a premium access, which costs about $10 to $20 per month. So here's why it's pros and legit. It has the functional text and voice chats. They also have a rapid onboarding and character customization. They also have a freedom and privacy which identifies the billing statements rather than the AI girlfriend app, and they have encrypted messaging, and they also have a stable market presence with a lot of active base of users with functioning paid subscriptions. Although it comes with some cons and red flags. They have the bot generated images, which is inconsistent. They also have moderate overall rating, and they have a limited support responsiveness. So overall, you should seek to avoid it if you want seeking human voice like realism or consistent appearance. And if you want, you should try it if you are a user seeking virtual companionship or casual chatbot style conversation. And overall, it appears to be a legitimate app but tailored to a niche audience seeking light, scripted companionship.